Deep in space, an unsuspecting astronaut is going about his daily routine, until there is a message incoming.
Hello.
The connection is so bad that he can't hear the message. Elias tries to get it back.
Higher the amplitude, it should work. What is that annoying sound I'm hearing? That does not look good. Let's fix this malfunction.
Elias is working hard on the repairs, but no matter what he does, the communications remain down.
Oh no, that didn't work at all.
Then another problem arose.
No fuel. Now what?